and the way they bowled, I think we had to build a partnership. And I felt that even if we take little more time, because I don't feel that it was a flat pitch where you can just start playing your shots and keep scoring runs. You have to be patient, and even if you look at the entire day, the scoring rate is somewhere close to 3 runs and over. Less than 3 runs and over. So it's a pitch where you need to give enough time as a batsman, and when you get a loose ball, then only you can play some shots.
Anuj from ANI and then Venkat Krishna.
Yeah, hi. Chiteshwar, has the Kohli's run out handed advantage back to the Australia?
Yes, we were in a very good position, I would say, and after losing a couple of wickets, Virat, Ajinkya, both, I feel that was crucial wickets. But I still feel that we are just six down, and Ash can bat, Ritik can bat, and even our lower order will try and contribute as many runs as possible. So we still have a very good chance of getting close to 275, 300. And if low order bats well, you never know, we can get 350 also. So yes, there was a stage where we were in a dominating position, but after losing Virat and Ajinkya, they have a little bit of an advantage. But I still feel we are evenly placed in this test match.
Venkat Krishna.
Cheteshwar, just talk about your innings in the first inning, first session and section. What were you and Cody were discussing? What is the game plan today? Do you guys like plan to extend it late as possible, keep passes as much as in the field as possible?
See, I can't talk much about the game plan, but I feel that the most important thing we discussed was building partnership. And when you have a big partnership, if it's more than 50 runs or if it's close to 100 runs, it always sets a proper platform for other batsmen to score to put our team in a commanding position. And that is what happened actually when I had a partnership with Virat. When Ajinkya came in, both of them were cruising, and there was a time where we were I think 190 for 3. So I felt that that was the position we wanted to be in. But this is what Test cricket is all about. I mean, when you lose a couple of wickets, the opposition has a little bit of an advantage. But again, when we score some runs tomorrow morning, we'll be in commanding position. So you just have to respect this format, and we were just trying to do that when we were in the middle. So play according to the merit of the ball, and whatever runs we could get out of both sessions. I think our game plan was very simple. Then if we get a loose ball, we'll try and play our shots. But if they are bowling in good areas, you just have to respect that.
Bhushan Sarkar.
Yeah, hi Cheteshwar. Just wanted to know that looking at the first day pitch, do you see this pitch changing a lot when the third or the fourth innings is played? How do you assess the pitch?
Well, it's very difficult to say at this stage, but I feel that there'll be something for the fast bowlers throughout this match. I felt that when we played our test match in 2018, there was enough in it for the bowlers for first 3 to 4 days. So I feel that it is quite similar. But with pink ball, it is still difficult to judge anything at this stage, because as we get into day two, we'll have a better idea of how the pitch is behaving. Well, if there are any changes, we'll get to know tomorrow.
I don't see any more raised hand apart from Sunandan sir. Anyone wishes to ask a question? Bharat Sundaresan.
Hey Cheteshwar, just wanted to ask you about the battle you had with Nathan Lyon, you and Virat. Actually, the game was really tense. It was like classic Test cricket. But just can you just take us through that whole period, and leading up to your dismissal and just a battle with him?
Well, it is. Playing in Australia is always challenging, but I and even Virat loves this challenge. So both of us were just talking about. Even before the game started, we had a word of how we want to approach this particular test match, and even going forward in this series. But the best part about playing in Australia now is that since we had won last time, we know how to approach a particular game or a bowler, because since we have faced all the bowlers in the past, we know that what are their game plans. But it is never easy. I mean, every game is a new game, and the way he was bowling today, I thought. Uh, I mean, we had to respect that, and overall, I mean. I can't, I mean, I always say this, that I can't talk much about my game plan. But yes, I mean, we both of us were enjoying that challenge of facing all the Aussie bowlers, not just Nathan Lyon. He's yes, I mean, he has been one of their leading bowlers, especially in the middle overs, where the ball is not swinging much. He will come in and try and pick as many wickets as possible. But yes, we had a game plan very clear, and most of the times we are able to execute that.
We'll take two more questions in English and followed by the final one from Sunandan sir, Khurram Habib and Gaurav Joshi.
Yeah, Cheteshwar, well played. Obviously, I mean, it was very difficult to play on that with the way they were bowling. But do you think that, considering the fact that the new pink ball would be taken towards in the twilight session, you could have kind of sped up or maybe paced, increase a little bit of the scoring rate earlier on? Is there some kind of regret on that count?
Not at all. I think, see, we were in a very good position. So I don't think you can have any such strategy where you just want to score in first two sessions, and when the ball is swinging, you just want to be defensive. I thought that if we had more wickets in hand, even when they took the second new ball, we would have got enough runs. So strategy wise, I don't think there is any regret about how we batted today. I thought it was a great day of Test cricket. There's enough in it for the bowlers, so you just have to respect it rather than just going after the bowlers and losing more wickets in first two sessions, and then you end up getting bowled out in a day. So I feel that we as I said earlier, we are in a good position, and if we have more runs on the board, we'll have a very good chance of bowling them out.
Final question in
Hi, Cheteshwar. Just on Nathan Lyon, what is it about him that makes him such a difficult bowler to face? Is it his trajectory, his tip on the ball? What is it?
I think he has improved as a bowler since last 4-5 years, and it's just the revs which he gets in each and every bowl. I mean, he likes to bowl. He wants to bowl as many overs as possible. That is another advantage which he has, and his line and length is really good, which has improved a lot. I feel, and that is something which helps him. Also, his revs, I think I did mention about it. His revs is much better than what it was in last 4 to 5 years ago. And he likes taking the challenge, and he's someone who enjoys his bowling. But as a batsman, I feel that you got to be prepared. You need to take the challenge and try and score as many runs as possible.
final question, Sunandan sir.
चेतेश्वर, पहले तो आपके संयम के बारे में लोग थोड़ी सी टीका टिप्पणी करते थे. आज बहुत सारे लोग आपके पेशेंस के बारे में सराहना कर रहे हैं, बहुत प्रेज कर रहे हैं आपको ये जो आपका बहुत बड़ी ताकत है, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहोगे पेशेंस के बारे में?
देखिए, वो टेस्ट क्रिकेट में बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आप सिचुएशन के हिसाब से बल्लेबाजी करते हैं. तो काफ़ी बार अगर बहुत ही अच्छा विकेट है, विकेट में कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, बॉलर के लिए हेल्प नहीं है, तो आप थोड़ा अग्रेसिव भी खेलते हैं. बट जहाँ पर आज का जैसा विकेट था, या तो काफ़ी बार बॉलर्स के लिए जब ज़्यादा हेल्प होती है तो पेशेंस की ज़रूरत होती है. वो टाइम पे आप ज़्यादा शॉट्स नहीं खेल सकते हो, क्योंकि टीम को ऐसी अच्छे स्टार्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. और जब अच्छा स्टार्ट मिलता है या तो अच्छा टोटल बोर्ड पे होता है, तभी बॉलर के लिए उतना एडवांटेज होता है, या तो मार्जिन ऑफ एरर है वो ज़्यादा उनके पास रहता है. उनके पास एक लेवरेज रहता है कि वो ऑपोजिशन को थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करके भी गेंदबाजी कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके बोर्ड पे 200 से कम रन है, तो ओवरसीज ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल होती है टीम। तो टीम का टारगेट यही होता है कि 250 या 300 और 300 के ऊपर रन बने। तो उसके लिए शुरू के जो 2 सेशन होते हैं या तो 1 सेशन होता है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है टेस्ट फॉर्मेट में, और उसमें पेशेंस से ही बल्लेबाजी करनी पड़ती है क्योंकि बॉलर फ्रेश होता है, विकेट फ्रेश होता है, तो वहाँ पर आप ज़्यादा शॉट्स नहीं खेल पाते हैं।